Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the environment and grabbing the list object you will change. Once done, inspect contents and index positions so you know what to target. This prevents off-by-one errors. Make sure to decide whether you will mutate in place or create a new list. That choice affects performance and references. Then open your editor or REPL, assign the list to a named variable, and run a quick print to verify contents before making the first change. Now perform the actual modifications. You can add items with append or extend. Use insert when a specific index matters. For removals, choose pop for index-based deletion or remove to target a value. Del works for slices and variables. Once structure is correct, replace elements via index or slice assignment and reorder using sort or reverse, or create a new order with sorted or a list comprehension with enumerate. Make sure to test after each step to catch logic errors early. Finish by validating the list meets expectations. Check length, element types, and sample values. Run small asserts or unit tests. If changes must persist, write back to file or return the new list from your function and be explicit about in-place mutation. If something goes wrong, consider the common issue of shallow versus deep copies with nested lists. Use copy, deep copy when needed. Finally, document the mutation behavior so you and others avoid unexpected side effects later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.